First, we start with the basic details along with choosing if you're a customer or freelancer. For this video, we're going to be choosing Explore Talent. Then you verify your email. On this page, make sure to confirm all your details, and then write a bio that either describes what you offer or what you're looking for. On the manual onboarding, fill out all the details about your company or business. The project description doesn't have to be super complicated, but feel free to add as much information as you want. The more information you add, the more likely a freelancer will collaborate. And that's it for the onboarding process.